kids. Where are you now? Yes. What you can see there? It is a tree. Yes, you can see the tree. You can see the park. Okay. So, children, do you know what I am going to tell you today? Today I am going to tell you a story. Do you know which story is that? This is the story about a crow. Do you know a crow? Can you tell me what is the color of the crow? Yes, children? Yes, the crow will be in a black color. Right, children? So, today I am going to tell you a story of a thirsty crow. What does the thirsty mean? Means the crow want to drink water. See, if you won't drink water, how do you feel? We feel our throat will become dry and we feel very thirsty. So, why the crow was very thirsty, do you know? Do you want to see the crow? Here is the crow. And what do the crow say? Caw, caw, caw. And one day it was a very hot summer, children, and the crow was searching for the food, but it was flying, but it could not find food. So as it was flying in a hot summer day, flying for the search of food, but it could not get food and it was very hungry, and now it started feeling it was very tired, and the crow was now thirsty. And when the crow was thirsty, when we are thirsty, what we will have? We drink water, right, children? So, in the same way, even the crow want to drink water. And it was searching for water here and there. But it could not find water anywhere. Oh, what is summer? I am feeling very thirsty, but I could not find water anywhere. Where I should get my water to drink? Oh, and it was crying and flying. So, at last, what happened? And at last, he saw a pot of water. Wow, it was very happy to see the pot with water. It flew down to the pot to drink water. Wow! And when he looked into the pot, do you think there is a water? Yes, there is a water, but it was very little. It was somewhere down in the pot. Can the crow go inside the pot? No, I can't reach I can't reach the water. What shall I do now? Oh no, I'm feeling thirsty, but here the water is very little. How should I drink water? And it was crying and it wanted that water. Then, do you know, the crow got one idea. Okay, children, he got an idea. So, what it had done? It took some pebbles, See, the stones down. There are some stones here, right? These are the pebbles. He took the pebble and put them into the pot one by one. See how it is taking the pebbles. He took them pebble and put them into the pot one by one. Okay, children. Then the water came up as it was throwing the pebbles inside the pot. The water slowly came up. Okay, see, it started putting the pebbles in the pot one by one. Then the water came up. The crow drank the water. Ooh, wow! Ooh, wow! Wow! I got the water. I had drank the water. Now I'm very happy. Wow! And it was very happy and flew away onto the tree again. Wow! Is it nice, children? How did you enjoy the story? Yes, it is a very good story. And do you know what is the moral of the story, children? Yes? Can anyone tell me the moral of the story? Children, the moral of the story is common sense can solve any problem. Okay, children? Common sense can also solve some problems. Okay, so you have to think at the right time in a right way. Okay, children? So, at that time, how did the crow think? It was when it was crying, he saw the pebbles down, then it got an idea, then fast it picked the pebbles and put them into the pot one by one. Then what happened? The pebbles were down, and by putting the pebbles, the water came up. Then it had drunk the water and it felt very happy. So children, will you narrate this story? Yes, you have to narrate this story in your own words and tell your mama or else your daddy, your parents. Okay, children? Yes. Yes. Bye-bye.